Calling all military members PCSing to Eglin Air Force Base. This video is for you. Eglin Air Force Base is not only one of the largest military installations in the U.S., but it also is an essential part of the Emerald Coast community. Located near Fort Walton Beach, Destin, and Niceville, Eglin spans over 724 square miles of land and 130,000 square miles of water range. This vast, vibrant base brings a steady rotation of military personnel, defense contractors, and their families to our area, making it a unique area to live, work, and explore. Today we're going to dive into all the things you need to know if you're PCSing or relocating to Eglin Air Force Base. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. Eglin Air Force Base has a wide-ranging mission, primarily focused on air-to-ground weapons testing, training, and technology development. Key units stationed here include the 96th Test Wing, which leads the Air Force's weapons and systems development, as well as the Air Force Special Operations Command, headquartered at nearby Hurlburt Field. Eglin is also home to the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter Integrated Training Center, where pilots train on one of the world's most advanced fighters. The diversity of missions performed at Eglin Air Force Base means it supports a highly skilled and varied workforce, including active duty personnel, civilian contractors, and special operations units. The consistent influx of military personnel, coupled with the contractors who support their ongoing projects, derives demand for both rental and homes for sale in nearby communities. This impacts the real estate market in significant ways. Military members stationed at Eglin are often on rotational assignments for 3 to 5 years, meaning there's a consistent demand for housing and family-friendly neighborhoods. Areas like Fort Walton Beach, Niceville, Crestview, and Destin are popular choices, offering easy commutes, quality schools, and access to the beautiful beaches and the amenities that this wonderful area offers. The steady turnover associated with military personnel moving in and out provides unique opportunities for investors and potential home buyers, as properties frequently come on the market. For those interested in buying, Eglin's presence stabilizes the housing market and maintains demand regardless of broader economic conditions. Meanwhile, the constant need for rental properties creates a steady income stream for property owners, especially for those offering high-quality, short-term rentals. To make the move easier for incoming military families, here's a breakdown of some of the key areas of interest. While online housing is available, there is a wait list. Off-base housing in nearby cities offers a wider range of options as well as amenities. Rental homes and apartments are popular among short-term residents, and the areas like Niceville, Fort Walton Beach, and Crestview provide quick commutes to the base. Many military families find the VA loan useful for home buying near Eglin, like Niceville and Destin and Fort Walton Beach. They are known for being family-friendly areas with good schools and easy access to amenities, making them ideal spots for settling down. Should you decide to purchase a home in the area, this is a great way to start building your real estate portfolio or adding to a portfolio that you already have from properties you've bought in the past. Traffic can be challenging in our area. Understanding local traffic patterns and learning the best routes can reduce commute times. Destin and Niceville, for example, are desirable locations offering shorter commutes and less traffic while providing great amenities. Okaloosa County offers strong educational options with top-rated schools in Niceville and other family-friendly areas. Programs like the Military Interest Children's Compact also help smooth the transition for military children. Additionally, childcare services, community programs, and on-base resources like the Airmen and Family Readiness Center provides essential support to help families adjust. Eglin's hospital serves military members and their families, as well as nearby civilian hospitals like Fort Walton Beach Medical Center and Sacred Heart. They all accept TRICARE, the military insurance. Knowing where to access emergency and specialty care options can be helpful for families, especially if they need services beyond what's available on base. The Emerald Coast is known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and outdoor activities that make living here unique. Families can enjoy nearby destinations like Henderson Beach State Park, Okaloosa Island, and Gulfarian Marine Adventure Park. Eglin's vast outdoor areas offer hiking, fishing, and camping, while on-base facilities provide additional recreational options like gyms and pools. Local festivals and events such as the Destin Fishing Rodeo and the Billy Bowlegs Pirate Festival offer family-friendly entertainment and a chance to connect with a broader community. Many military families find these events a great way to get to know their neighborhood and enjoy the region's culture. Relocating can be stressful, and Eglin provides several resources to help. The Airmen and Family Readiness Center offers relocation assistance, employment counseling for military spouses, and financial planning services. Nearby organizations such as the USO and local veteran groups provide additional support and local opportunities. For military members considering a long-term investment in the area, the strong real estate market and stable demand make buying a home a sound option. Areas close to Eglin like Niceville, Blue Water Bay, and Destin have maintained strong property values over the years. With frequent personnel rotations, the demand for quality housing remains high, making it possible for military members to either sell or rent out their property if they're reassigned in the future. Eglin Air Force Base is more than just a military base. It's an integral part of the Emerald Coast. Its steady rotation of personnel derives demand for housing, creates stability in the real estate market, and offers a supportive community with unique resources. Whether military families are looking to rent, buy, or simply enjoy the local lifestyle, Eglin and surrounding areas provide a welcoming, supportive environment. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on the next one.